These breakfast burritos are packed with chorizo, crispy potatoes, and eggs. The kind of breakfast that keeps everyone full and happy. Stay tuned, you'll want this recipe in your back pocket. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making hearty Tex-Mex breakfast burritos stuffed with chorizo, crispy potatoes, and eggs. This is the kind of breakfast I grew up with in the Rio Grande Valley. Flavorful and filling. The best part? You can prepare these ahead for busy weekdays or back-to-school mornings. It's simple and way easier than it sounds. And stay with me till the end because I'll share my favorite mom hack to make those crazy school mornings a little bit easier. Now let's get started. This recipe makes 4 to 6 breakfast burritos, so grab your large pan because we're cooking for the whole crew. For today, we will need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 small potatoes, 6 ounces of Mexican chorizo, 6 large eggs, and floured tortillas. And for optional toppings, you can have shredded Mexican fiesta cheese blend for that added Tex-Mex cheesiness. You can also have avocado slices or just salsa, whatever it is that you're craving. Now let's prep our potatoes. To avoid a ton of splatter when we're cooking them, simply cover them completely with cold water the night before and stick them in the fridge. In the morning, drain and dry them well. Dry potatoes means crispy potatoes, and there's minimal splatter on your stove. Wonderful, right? We set them aside and move on to our stove. Heat a large pan over medium heat, and we add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now that our oil is hot, we're going to add our potatoes. And we're going to cook them for 12 to 14 minutes. Just enough till they're soft on the inside. You mix them here and there so the potatoes won't stick to the bottom of the pan. The way I cook my chorizo is I make space in the middle of the pan and I crumble it as I cook it. I cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Everything is now well cooked and our chorizo looks brown, so we're going to add our eggs. We add 6 eggs. Once we add all our 6 eggs, we're going to mix one more time and let them cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. I remember this type of food in the valley. That's all we ate in the mornings, breakfast burritos. It was just the easiest thing to make and the easiest thing to heat up. Okay, we have all our eggs in the pan. And now we're going to mix everything together one more time. And just like that, our burrito stuffing is done. Now grab your floured tortillas. You can go homemade if you're feeling fancy. You can find the recipe here for soft flour tortillas or use my favorite shortcut, ready to cook tortillas. And there you have it, Tex-Mex breakfast burritos. Perfect for breakfast, meal prep, or any time of day. Oh, and here's my mom hack. For those crazy back-to-school mornings and busy weekdays, I let the breakfast burritos cool completely. Then I wrap them in a napkin and I store them in a container in the fridge. The napkin keeps the tacos from getting soggy. In the morning, the kids just grab one, heat it up, and they've got a delicious protein-packed breakfast. Ready to go. These breakfast tacos, or as you call them, burritos, keep well for 3 to 4 days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. And I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!